Some medical patients suffer from such severe pain that no medicine can help. However, there is a natural remedy which can bring some relief. A geriatric home in Israel prescribes medical cannabis to some of their patients suffering from certain ailments. Here's more from our Israeli bureau.
At Hadarim Geriatric Home, medical cannabis is weighed and given to some of the patients. Among them, Moshe Rot. He receives medical cannabis as a powder mixed with tobacco.
What does it do? It makes me tranquil and less uptight. I'm able to take it easy and I feel restful. Before that, my hands were in pain, like someone suffering from Parkinson's disease. It stopped after 3 months. My hands don't shake anymore, and it's totally different.
A television program on medical cannabis caught the attention of the geriatric home's head nurse.
We were simply looking for some kind of medicine that would bring relief, and we found it.
Since the 19th century, cannabis has been known to ease pain. And since 2008, the Israeli Ministry of Health has given limited permits for companies providing medical cannabis, allowing patients to use it for the relief of diseases and severe side effects. According to the chairman of the Israeli Pharmaceutical Federation, there are some concerns that the cannabis may be used for non-medical purposes. Another concern is that it will become too easy for the medical establishment to prescribe cannabis for any problem, although current research is not yet completely clear on the appropriate use of cannabis. Public pressure is also playing a role.
On one hand, the Ministry of Health doesn't grow these plants. On the other hand, the DNA of the Israel Anti-Drug Authority is drugs, and we're talking about a product that is a drug but also used for medical treatment, and they don't know how to deal with it. Finally, there are the police who are afraid that it could spill over to yet another market.
Pain specialist Dr. Barakat Shif-Karen recommends medical cannabis to some of her patients.
If the question is relieving pain and leading a normal life, as opposed to being dependent on a drug, then why not take that drug to improve one's quality of living?
In Moshe Rot's room, he is working on a book, Able to Write Again. He says thanks to taking medical cannabis.
The Ministry of Health claims that these patients possess scientific evidence that their illness can be relieved by using medical cannabis.
An instructor from one of the providing companies says the most crucial point about cannabis is that it's not dangerous or hazardous to the patient. Nonetheless, many people remain afraid to try it. NTD News, Israel.